Alright, just a short podcast on the derivatives of circular functions. You're given that function f of x equals 5x times cosine of 3x. We want to find f dashed of x. Now I'm going to let f of x be the product of two functions, h of x and g of x. So h of x is what?
5x.
And then that means g of x. Now, g of x is a composite function, so we need to use the chain rule. So g of x I'm going to let equal to k of L of x. And what's L of x? 3x and k of x. Good man. You've been going to your tutor, did you show? You can't tell. So, f dashed of x. Now if f of x is this, then we're going to use the product rule. We're going to say f dashed of x. And this is the product rule. It's pretty simple. It's just going to be h of x times g dashed of x plus h dashed of x times g of x. Yeah? Don't write it down, guys, because it'll be on YouTube and you'll be able to stop and pause it and look at it for as long as you like. Now, g dashed of x.
Wait, what's g dashed of x?
Well, I'm going to do that now. G dashed of x is a composite function k of L of x. Now, using the chain rule, it's going to be k dashed times L dashed of x. Yeah? And what's L dashed of x?
3.
Yeah. And what's k dashed of x?
Sine.
We use our rule here.
A sine.
Negative sine.
Negative sine 3x.
Well, just negative
Negative
sine
sine
x. That's what we need to do. So g dashed of x is going to be negative sine of 3x times 3, yeah?
Why isn't it just negative sine 3?
Because L of x is 3 of x, and it's k dashed of L of x.
Oh, 'cause it's just, okay, no. Yep.
Yep. And what's h dashed of x?
5x.
So using this rule up here, I'm just going to substitute what I've got. And I have f dashed of x, h of x is 5x, g dashed of x is negative sine 3x times 3 plus,
Can you just do negative 3 sine?
I'm going to get to that,
Alright.
h dashed of x is what?
Negative sine.
And what's h dashed of x?
5.
5. Times g of x, which is cos of 3x. Sorry?
Oh, it's a K. Never mind.
Okay, so now I can do what you'd like me to do, Jolie, and I'll get the 5x and the negative and the 3, and I'll make that negative 15x, sine 3x, plus 5 cosine 3x, yeah? And that's f dashed of x. Complicated?
Yep.
Yeah, it is. It is, but as long as you know the rules and you take your time,
So
okay, and thank you very much.
is product